Alright, so tonight for supper I'm making some chicken, some rice, and I got some green beans back there. Got a couple mushrooms that I cut up. It was supposed to be for Riley and I, but he just took off next door, so I don't even know if he's going to be home for supper. And this has been the problem for the last, week and a half. I've been making too much food. When I do decide that I'm going to eat, I end up cooking a bunch of stuff, and there's always too much, and he ends up not eating here, or whatever the case may be. So I gotta kind of learn to cut down and stop making as much. I know sometimes they say it's better to have too much than too little, but in my case, yeah, okay, we'll eat leftovers and whatever, but I just gotta cut down on cooking so much. I haven't had to buy as much groceries, mainly because I don't eat that much, and Riley hasn't been here. Every time I turn around, whether it be for lunch, like today I made breakfast for him because it's his birthday. He ate that, and then I was getting ready to make lunch, and they went next door to play, so we ended up having lunch over there. Here it is 3:30. We usually eat around 4:30, just because, I don't know, digestive issues, I guess. So I prefer to eat a little bit earlier. I know it's craving some chicken um, with some buffalo sauce on it. So that's what I'm making. And yeah, forget what I was gonna say, but yeah, basically every meal that I go to cook, he takes off and he's not home, and so I've been eating by myself, which whatever. But anyways, I just figured I would pop on and do a little video showing you guys what I'm making for supper. My videos haven't been all that entertaining or educational lately. Haven't really been in the mood to vlog, but I want to kind of keep up with the channel, so I suck it up and put out content when I can, even if it's not all that interesting. So I just took, even here I could have probably did one chicken breast. I ended up cutting up two. I just cut them into pieces. I'm going to cook those up, and then once they're done cooking, I'm going to put them in a bowl and coat them with the hot sauce. And if you guys never tried this, I would recommend it. It's not overly hot, but it's really good. I had them on the chicken wings the other day. So that is what I am doing. So I'll be back whenever the chicken's cooked, and I'm getting ready to cover them in hot sauce. I just took my chicken out, so now I'm going to put the mushrooms. I had added a little bit of water and steamed the rest of the chicken so it wouldn't burn and get hard. So I'll let those cook down, and I'll be back. Or actually, yeah, I'll be back because I'm going to grab my tripod. I don't know, I might put it in the oven just for a little bit, just so it sticks. It's only like 25 to 4, so stick it in the oven for 10 minutes. No, it doesn't look like anything fancy, but it's gonna be good. So supper is ready. It is 4:05, so I planned that one out pretty well. I just got a little bit of white rice and some mushrooms and the chicken and some green beans. I like to put things that are like vegetables that are boiled in water or whatever in little dishes, just because I find it leaks water and I just don't want everything getting soggy, so that is why I do it. So I'm going to eat this and probably go next door so we can sing happy birthday to my son and have a little piece of cake. And then, I don't know, we'll probably just come home and watch some movies or something tonight. Hang out, not do much. But, yeah, so that is tonight's supper. Is he going back to the camp?
No, he's getting home there.
Well, why in the hell would he be going back up there if he's just getting home?
He's playing around?
Well,
That's true, Ralph.
That's a private video after all.
I could go help him.
No, don't go and help him.
No, don't
and
go
I'll
help him.
videotape.
No, he's getting it.
Getting the hang of it, and then he's gonna go back.
No. Mr. Contreras.
Watch this. This is now he's gonna like take his confidence and just like go. Oh my God!
Keep it because I'm gonna keep that for Sunday.
Oh yeah. Okay. Could I lick it?
I'm gonna keep it now. Do it now. Like, yeah, I don't frickin' imagine so.
Yeah, look.